Today's learning goal is I can figure out the missing part of a pattern. Hi everyone. We've learned about lots of types of patterns that repeat. We've learned about color patterns that repeat, shape patterns that repeat, movement patterns that repeat, like dances. We've learned about letter patterns and how we can make patterns with letters that repeat. Sound patterns, two different ways too, with notes and with rhythms. And we learned about repeating number patterns. That's all the types of patterns I'm going to talk about right now. But we are going to talk about some other things we can do with patterns. And one of them is figure out what's missing from them. Sometimes we finish the pattern, right? We continue the pattern. Has a dot, 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 and we do the next parts. So we know what's going to be next. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and we continue the pattern. Today we're not going to talk about continuing. We're going to talk about figuring out the missing part. So here's a pattern that goes blue, black, red, something. Black, red, blue, black, red, blue, black, red. Do you think you know what's underneath the question mark? What the missing one is? Let's see. Do you want to shout the answer out? Let's see. Did you say blue? Oh, the stick text there. You did? Can cover a different one up on that same pattern to see if you can get it again. Ooh, what have I covered up this time? What's the missing one this time? I'm not going to say anything. Did you say black? I am going to show you somewhat patterns, some missing ones, and have you guess and fill them in, both on the computer and on my whiteboard to practice and get your brain going. And then today, when you get to your work, it's not going to be making your own pattern. I'm going to have a page at the end of the video, and you hit the pause button. Pause button is like the two lines, like the doot, doot, and you pause it, and I want you to write down the answers and figure out what's missing for me. Let's go look at some of our examples now. Here we have some patterns on the computer, and part of them is missing. So each time there's going to be an empty space. I want you to tell me what goes there in this pattern. I'm not going to say anything. Think about it for one moment. Do you have your answer? Pink, green, pink, green, pink. You said green, you got it. Let's try another one. It's a different pattern. What do we want to put in the empty space? Have your answer ready? Let's say it with me. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. That pattern looks complete now. Let's try a shape one. What goes in our empty space here? Purple, circle, circle, something. Circle, circle, triangle. Circle, circle, triangle. Did you figure out what goes there? If you said triangle, you got it. Oh, here's some letters. A, B, B, A, something, B. What goes there? A, B, B, A, B, B. If you said B, you got it right. We have 4 different kinds of patterns here. A number pattern, a shape pattern, a letter pattern, and a color pattern. Now, what is missing in this first one? What is the one that is covered up? 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to give you 1 second while you think about it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Something 3, 2, 1. Are you ready for the reveal? Did you say 4? Let's look at the next one, the shape one. Square, hexagon, square, hexagon, something, hexagon, square. What's underneath this one? Did you say square? Well done. Here we have H something E. H-E-E. H. This one's not as long, so I was wondering if you'd figure it out. What do you think is underneath this one right here? It is an E. And last but not least, we have a color pattern down here. What do you think about this one? Blue, 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 black, black, something. Blue, 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 black, black, black. Let's see. Did you say black? Very well done. This slide is to remind you that you're going to need to pause on the next one so you can do your work. Your job is going to be filling in the blank and patterns, just like we've practiced all today. There's a few different types, but I know you can figure out the 4 blanks in each of those patterns. Enjoy your math.